Alrighty guys, it's raining out today. Got lawns to cut. I was hoping to come out yesterday and get some lawns cut, but we're doing a big mulching job and we didn't get time to. So here we are now gonna cut some lawns in the rain. Not my ideal thing. Just trying to find my rain pants. I don't know where I put them, but yeah, it's not raining too bad, but it's supposed to be like this all day long. So we'll see what happens. I'm try and film some lawns. Not sure how much I'll get done, but yeah, let's try it out. So, like I said at the start of the video, it was very rainy. We actually cut this lawn and we started one other lawn and we had more issues. So we just decided to give up for the day because it just kept on raining and raining and raining. It didn't stop. It was probably the heaviest rain I think we've cut in a very long time. So we just gave up. I wanted to try and get a head start on the lawn so we didn't have to be behind. It was only Tuesday, so if we didn't get all these lawns cut, we'd be very far behind. No way to really make them up. So we were just getting this place done. There's only this place is only a few doors down from my house, so it's not too bad. So I decided I would film me trimming it because I usually don't film me trimming stuff. So I put the GoPro on my chest and I just went and trimmed away. So this cottage resort is newly built. They just opened, I think, this year. We did start mowing it last year in preparation for them to keep it looking good for them. But there are 3 cottages on this property as of right now. They are planning, I think, to build a couple more from what I was told. I'm not sure where they're going to build them or whatnot, but yeah, there's supposed to be three more places. And actually, all this grass right here is actually all new this year. It wasn't here last year, so we didn't have to trim this or clean or cut it. But they've added all this grass now, so it's a bit more work than I had anticipated for the year. And the mower can't get in too many spots down here, so we gotta trim quite a bit of it. So yeah, just hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very, very wet day, and yeah, if you haven't done so already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel.